This color green.
Maybe they don't like it because they're green. And I'll take it away then, because then they all.
She's busy on the
I
eggs.
need a bullet. A bullet? I'll call a bullet when you put it off. Ooh, bullets. Oh, hey, I want a bullet gun. Hey, there's a new bullet. And there's a new and I got gun. Party Mario. Hey, I only have bullets in the beginning, and I got a gun in the eyes.
Why don't you feed him?
What?
Come on, let's try it out. You gotta try it out. Take a bite. It's cool now. Come on. Come on, open up. It's cool.
Too big.
All right. Hang on.
There you go. There.
Perfect.
Take it.
I want to do an I
Come on. You gotta eat or you stay in here.
Maybe this video is gonna be the longest.
You wanna get big and strong, you gotta eat.
I cut it off and then started again.
You're not going in the medium room. You stand in here.
That's right.
You stand in here.
No game.
Yeah.
No watching Mario's.
No game.
And you're going to
No
bed.
game all
Night
day.
night.
All day, no game.
You wanna go back to bed?
And you can play the game. And then night time.
Well, it's because you gotta eat.
And then you have to eat to play the game too. Always take if you want.
Right.